Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this healthy delicious smoothie.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For your device, you know, say a chat boss. I may represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J. I hear a word. Sister J word. I hear a word.
So here I have some frozen strawberries, some oat milk, raspberries, blueberries, banana, and some oatmeal. I'm using the apple cinnamon oatmeal. Okay, so let's get right into it. Here I have my Vitamix and I'm pouring in the oatmeal in. I'm using the 2 packs. This is 2 servings of smoothie I'll be making. So now I'm adding the frozen strawberries. And now the blueberries, the raspberries, the banana, and the oat milk. Yes, guys, this is a quick and easy one. I'm blending, and it's time to serve. And there you have it, my lovely people. My berry smoothie is ready, quick and easy. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings. Please subscribe for more.